Hello, my friends. Today, what I'm going to do, the project, um somebody in our street gave me this coffee machine. It's a Nespresso, one of those capsule machines. She says it's leaking water and make an awful noise. I can see if I can open it and fix it. And let's see, let's open it. Okay, let's open the inside and check what's going on here. I've got a nice little magnetic bowl here. Whatever screws you put in there and it stays there. Okay, here's some funny plastic inside. I don't know what this. This looks like a. Okay, let's put that one side. I don't see any screws here. And let's open the other side. Maybe we must undo here, then this whole thing's gonna come loose. Let's undo this side as well. That's it, same thing. Okay. Here's the power connections. There is no way to open the thing. I think I have to loosen the handle. Maybe then the stuff will split. There's something interesting. You see there is the PCB with the LEDs inside there. And then this plastic is like a lead pipe. The light LED, the light goes in there, and you can see it in the inside there. It's just like call it a lead pipe where the light beam get moved inside this plastic. There's little edges here, and then it ricochets and it comes in there. There's also some of them there. There's a light there, and then you can see in the back lights here. All funny technology people in use. So there's the stuff inside. I need to get inside there, but I need to open this. I don't know how to open it. Right, let's do this thing. That thing is off. We take the power off. With the clippy. There's for this thing here. We take the ground off. Over here. Okay, now we can take these things out here. And the power is off. And now we can take this thing. Take this thing off. You won't believe it, but eventually I have this thing open. What the bloody gemors. Okay, now this thing, this is what I'm up to. I need to clean. I think the problem is the leaking part. There's like too much pressure. The coffee is maybe blocked here, and then some of this water pipes is leaking. You can see here is like a mechanism that pump the water, comes in. There's like a non-return valve, goes in, and then it pushes the element is in here, and then it pushes the water through here. The capsule is sitting inside here, and then it goes out. So let's just see if we can't find a blockage somewhere. I think the problem is inside here. I have to open this thing somehow. See if you can't open this McGafter here. There goes the power. Alright, the power is back on. What I saw here was like a bit of a watermark in here. This is some sort of overpressure valve. Open here, clean it, put it back. I think this is where the water leak was coming from. So now we're gonna put this whole thing back. I think this is the right thing to do. Gonna clip all these things in here. Just to put all these things back. So that is in. I put all these bearings back also. I can clip this back in here. That is fine. Okay, now let's try to put this thing back in here. Let's lower this. There's a spring here, because as this thing goes out and in, this thing goes like in and like this. It's like a moving mechanism here. This goes in there. Just make sure it clips in. There's in properly. Okay, now I have to start putting all the stuff back together again. Let's get all the parts here. I think that's the next is this part. I have to put it back. We put everything back in there. And there's all these clips that I wasn't so sure of. There's a clip in the middle. If you want to loosen it, you open, push in there. So maybe for the next time I'll have to make sure where's all the clips. One there, and one there, and one. No, it's not here, it's only one there. Okay, eventually put the power back. There's a clip in, I put that thing back. So I put this thing back. It's a bit of a nightmare to open this machine. Anyway, we can maybe put this thing, this handle back now. I think all the same. And like put it like this, and then we put the screws in. Okay, this mechanism. There's another issue here. If you put the lady said, if you put the cup on here, it goes like this. So I know what's the problem. If you look underneath here, there is, I put some light here. There's a little place, it is broken there. So I'm just going to put some glue in there just to keep that thing from, it's a bad design. They should have made it a little bit stronger here. Just going to clean it clean it there. We're gonna put some glue over here. And there it goes, brand new.